Oscar, can you introduce what's the name of the cake?
Surprise cake.
Surprise cake!
Yeah.
Surprise cake!
That's a surprise,
Surprise cake!
Okay. Good. So the ingredients are.
Cocoa and
No, Marisol, what is this?
milk.
And this, Dante.
Cocoa. I was
Okay.
about to say chocolate, but it's kind of like the same thing.
Sponge cake crumbles.
Oh, I get it.
Sponge cake
Crumbles.
Let me try it.
Yeah. You can taste it if you want it.
Ah! They're the
Sponge
crunch
cake.
of the sponge.
Yeah, sponge cake. Okay. What are those
cake.
two, Matt?
Eggs.
Okay, how many are they?
Perché non me l'hai fatto fare
Good.
gli eggs?
And what about that? What is that, Oscar?
Sugar.
Sugar.
And what are these?
Pears.
Pears. And these?
Oil.
Coconut oil.
And this is?
We have it, but I think
Baking.
it's baking powder.
Yes, very good.
Woohoo!
Good. So we got sponge cake crumbles and put them in the bowl. Okay.
Oh, l'ho già fatto io.
And then take
Adesso
some
faccio
Vi dico io
io.
cosa far cosa.
cocoa powder inside. Yes.
Tocca Oscar.
No.
It's Oscar's turn.
Okay. Good. Okay.
Marisol's turn.
Matt, where is your spoon? You need to mix.
Yeah, where's the spoon?
Go get one.
He asked.
Okay.
Now it's
Auntie, can you
Marisol's
get
turn.
one spoon?
Wait,
Oh, hold on. Okay. What's that? Marisol?
Milk.
Milk.
Marisol,
Oh!
can you add some oil, please? Oil. Okay.
I'm putting this.
No, wait.
Io metto
Let's
Okay.
follow the instructions.
Okay.
in mine.
Then mix everything, please.
This is
So
mine.
a
no.
little bit Matt,
No,
then everyone has to mix.
Mine.
You can do. Hey, Dante,
Matt,
put half
Matt,
sugar.
can you stir like this?
Not
How?
leaving mine.
Okay.
Ho messo tutto. No.
Vabbè, you can put the pears after.
Yes. I hope it'll taste good.
Yeah, that is.
10 times.
Okay, stir. Good.
Like you know
Here,
English,
the
you're
pear.
Italian. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Good job, Matt.
8.
Thicker. Is it good?
Fica.
Okay, that's fine like this. Okay.
Mine.
Good.
This.
Now we need to put it in the
No.
cake. Stir,
No,
please.
This is mine.
Help Marisol, guys. Come on.
Oscar's turn to
Aiuto.
slice.
You have to mix
Then also
well.
I want to swap.
Mix well. Come on.
What?
This is teamwork.
Yes. Oscar, can you open up the baking powder, please? Baking
No,
powder.
leave it there.
Baking powder? There. This
Baking
one here.
powder.
Questo
No,
baking
That's
powder.
baking powder. Yeah.
He has to put it there.
Yep.
Yes. Be careful with your knife. Come on.
Oscar, put it there. Dante.
Okay, good. Good job. Is it good? Tastes good, huh?
Ma-
No, you have to help
Dante.
him. Okay.
Is after.
Oscar, help.
Use this.
No, not that one. Not that one. Not
Which
that
one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, mamma mia.
Let Oscar do it, Matt. Let Oscar
Yes, he's
do
gonna
it.
do at the end.
Lasciami quello da leccare.
No, well done.
Vai, tieni questo.
Go ahead.
I'm helping
Veloce,
about
veloce.
cleaning the spoons.
Thank you. What a lovely boy.
Big helper, huh?
That's delicious, isn't it?
Prima, Oscar.
No,
I didn't know he was such a good cook.
Cold?
The spatula.
Yeah.
io non l'ho nemmeno fatto.
Can we have an explanation, please?
Yes, we are
What are we doing?
putting the pears.
We're
and we
putting
have
the
to stir.
pears
Who's standing?
in the chicotabica.
Vertically?
Vertical.
Yes, they have to stand
Stand up like a
because then the
potato.
cake is going to grow.
Give me a buffet.
You could have put it everything on that tray.
How many
Now,
minutes?
40 minutes.
45.